In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links within the Wix editor. Whether you're aiming to enhance the navigation of your site, direct users to external resources, or simply make your content more interactive, linking elements is a powerful tool. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open the Wix editor and locate the page where your element resides. This element could be text, a button, or even an image that you intend to transform into a link. Opening the editor is as simple as logging into your Wix account and heading to the My Sites section. Once you're there, click on Edit Site to access the page with the component you wish to link. Once you've arrived at the correct page within the editor, the next step involves selecting the element you want to use as a link. Click on your chosen text, button, or image. This is essentially telling the editor, hey, this is the element I want to work with. If you're dealing with text, you'll notice a formatting toolbar pop up right away. Within this toolbar, look for the link icon. It looks like a small chain link. Clicking on this will open the link settings. If you're working with a button or image instead of text, you'll need to click on the element and then find and click the link icon that appears. This takes you to the same settings dialog, just via a slightly different route. With the link settings open, you'll now be faced with multiple link type options, neatly organized in a dialog window. Each option serves a different purpose. For instance, selecting web address allows you to link to an external website. Page is handy for linking to another page on your Wix site. If you wish to navigate users to a specific section of the same page, section on this page is your choice. You can even link to a document, such as a PDF file, or create links that draft an email or initiate a phone call, using the email or phone number options respectively. Once you've decided on your link type, enter the necessary details, like the correct URL, the specific page, section, or any other relevant information required for the type you've chosen. Be careful with your inputs here. Ensuring accuracy is key to having the link function correctly. Finally, after double-checking your input details, click on Done to save your changes. Now, it's time to preview the updated site. Click on Preview to ensure your new link works seamlessly. Test the functionality by clicking on the linked element, ensuring it leads exactly where you intended. And there you have it, a straightforward way to link elements within the Wix editor, boosting interactivity and navigation for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.